Hi, this is Kale and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about a smart blinds motor that I bought recently off Lazada. It took a couple of weeks to arrive. It shipped in from China. It was pretty cheap. It was about $55 Singapore dollars if I'm not wrong. Anyway, yeah, I installed it today and now I can open and close my window blinds with my phone. So let's take a look at it. So this is the AM43 Blinds Drive. Inside, it's a very small package, and inside the box it comes with a number of items. First of all is this little solar panel light sensor thing. So this motor can basically be powered by solar energy as well. Then of course there's the regular power adapter that you can hook up, and that will basically provide power to the motor. There's a bunch of different wheels that can... It basically depends on what kind of chain your roller blinds are using, or your Venetian blinds, or whichever other kind of window blinds. Then of course there's the motor itself with a little latch for the panel that you can actually stick or screw to the wall and then dock the motor into it. Then this is the place where the wheels are connected to. And yeah, basically it's a really simple motor that's controlled over Bluetooth. And that motor is the one that actually pulls your curtains up and down. So it comes with a 3M tape for sticking it to the wall and screws as well. And of course the user manual. One thing to note is that you could download the app. It comes with this app that works. It's called Blind Engine, so you can download it off the Google Play or Apple App Store. So according to the manual, this is the wheel that best fits my curtains, my roller blinds. So this is the one I'm gonna try it with. Yeah, so basically it just latches onto the wheel, and then if you hook it up with the motor, it should work. For the cover clip, you kind of have to break off some of those plastic notches so that the string can go in and out of this motor setup. This position looks like it should work, so I think I'm gonna mount it and then give it a try. I found it a bit hard to mark this accurately, so what I did is I stuck a little piece of 3M mounting tape to it so that I can actually stick the back panel onto the wall. Then it'll be easier to mark the screw holes. Okay, back plate mounted successfully. So now it's time for us to try out the curtain properly. And it works! Yes! This is pretty cool actually. It's a little bit jerky. Basically, I think it was taut on one side, but a little bit slack on the other side, depending on which direction I was, whether I was raising or lowering the blinds. So I had to shorten the string to make it work. Also, don't forget to set the upper and lower limits of the blinds. The manual there takes you through the steps of what you need to press on the device itself to set both limits. But basically once you set it and if you press it, the motor will basically continuously run until it hits either of these limits when you're pressing up or down. I've also connected it up to my phone as well through the Blinds Engine app. Basically it communicates with the motor over Bluetooth. And yeah, that's it for today's video. The smart window blinds are actually just one component of this entire smart home project that I'm trying to do. I'm trying to make use of this software called homeassistant.io. I've linked it below if you want to read up a little bit more about it. But yeah, I ran into some issues today and couldn't get some of it working. but hopefully we can get it fixed within the next week or so, and check in again next weekend and we'll see how it goes. Anyway, if you like this video, remember to click the like button, and if you like the content, do subscribe, and looking forward to seeing you next week.